Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a budget in Spendee. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up the app. And once you're in here on your dashboard, we have here the tab, okay, at the very bottom, and you have here budget or the budget section. Or if you're using iOS, it might say planning right here, and then just tap on budget. Okay. Tap on it if this is your first time, just like what you see in here. It says create your first budget. So what you do is just tap on it. Now give it a name. Okay. For example, monthly groceries. Okay. You go ahead and name it like entertainment funds, something like that, or even subscriptions. Okay. Now give it an amount. For example, $200. Just for example. Select your wallet. Could be all wallet or a specific wallet. Okay. And once that's done, budget for, tap on it. Now go ahead and select the specific tag or label. Okay. For example, we have here groceries. I'm going to tap on select all. And I'm just going to go ahead and select groceries. Okay. And once that's done, tap on back like so. Now the recurrence rate here, as it states monthly, monthly. Okay. It should be monthly right here. It could be yearly, daily. It's up to you. All right. And once that's done, the start date, maybe today, yesterday, you name it. Okay. And once that's done, all you need to do next is just tap on the create a new budget button. Okay. And by the way, if you want to change the currency, do so right here. Just tap on currency. I'm going to tap on create a new budget right here. And once that's done, you should be good to go. If you want to create a new budget, just tap on create a new budget in here. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.